What's up, everybody? It's your girl Nicole Mercedes, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a Jack Frost cocktail. So you're going to need some Blue Curacao, light rum, pineapple juice, ice, and some creamed coconut. Let's get into it. Yeah, so for the drink that I actually made this last year, but it was different. I used pineapple juice instead of pineapple. Yeah, I used pineapple juice instead of orange juice. I used orange juice this year because that's what I had in the house. But I actually like it better this time. Although next time what I will do, I had the cream, like the coconut was more liquefied last time. This time, since it pretty much was a block and I had to chop up, it's like a little grainy. But what I'm gonna do is pop it. I'm gonna change containers, pop it in the microwave, and then just let it melt down more, so then it will like disintegrate. But even with it a little chunky, I strained some of it out on the next glass that I had, and it tastes really good. So you can, if you don't have pineapple juice, you could substitute for orange juice. But yeah, so that was something quick and easy. So I would totally say try it. Also, you can put on the rim of your glass if you get, I think it's cornstarch, corn syrup. And then you can get coconut flakes, put it on and wrap it around. Just how you know how sugar on the rim, salt on the rim, you can do coconut on the rim. It tastes really well too. So see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.